Okay, let's make some money from YouTube. I know you quickly say, hey, Dr. Malik, I don't have all the views and the subscribers. Don't worry. We're not talking about YouTube AdSense money here. No, YouTube AdSense money is low and slow and discouraging, and it's not beginner friendly. Today, I'll be sharing with you something you can do even if you're just starting out. We're talking about earning up to $1,000 per month, even if you have 0 subscribers. Yes. And of course, we're talking about one of the easiest ways to start earning online, to start your online business, which is affiliate marketing. But this time we're using the powers of videos and YouTube to create a powerful affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is simple. In fact, you may already be doing it in some form. It's simply connecting buyers and sellers. You're like a middleman, referring people, but now you're getting paid. You're getting paid for the recommendation. It's like you bought a product or you had a certain experience or service and you loved it and you're telling your friends about it, but this time you're getting paid. So you help people sell their product and services and get paid a commission. Just like what real estate agents do. They help investors and buyers to get properties and they get paid commissions. The best way for you to quickly establish yourself as an authority and build trust is the use of videos. Coupled with the fact that YouTube is a search engine, so you can quickly rank for some videos and gather a lot of volume and traffic. And YouTube itself has massive traffic. We are talking about billions of users and daily views. So it has good traffic. Secondly, the leads are quality. We're talking about people who are willing to invest their time and internet connection data money to watch videos. These are quality people, quality leads. And because it's a search engine, sales are easier because a large percentage of viewers on YouTube come with what we call buy intent, the intention to buy something. And YouTube is free, so you can even set up a YouTube channel in few minutes and you upload your videos and you're good to go. And the beauty here is that you just need eyeballs, you just need volume, you need traffic, so you don't need subscribers. There is low competition here. People don't like doing videos because they can't, because it's technical and then camera shy. With low competition and high potential, you quickly establish a viable business on YouTube. So how does it work? Trust. If you create value, you build trust. So we'll be using videos to quickly create massive value. This way, they will trust us to buy from us, to buy the products that we are recommending easily and quickly. Let's do some money maths here. So for example, if you're promoting my program, the YouTube Profits program, which costs 50,000 Naira, and I am giving you an affiliate commission of 50%, meaning that if you get one person to buy my program for 50,000 Naira, I will give you 25,000 Naira. And if we roughly, and I know this is wrong, assume that $1 is 500 Naira, it means that to make $1,000 a month, 500,000 Naira. That's selling 20 copies of the program in a month. And that's like getting 5 people to pay for the program in a week. And this is very doable with the powers of videos, of YouTube, and especially if the vendor, like the seller, gives you materials to help you to make your videos, to teach you how to make the videos and to promote them. Let's look at the steps to establish a viable and profitable YouTube affiliate marketing business. Number 1, choose a niche. You can't afford to be everywhere all the time. It's best to choose a niche or a topic or an industry and stay focused on it. This way you can build authority quickly. So look at your passion, look at what you are proficient in, and look at what is profitable, and then choose a niche, something you can easily generate topics and create videos on. Look at things that are profitable, things that are already working, especially things involving making money or health or sex or travel and relocation, and things related to software. You can promote physical product or digital product, but I would advise you start with a digital product, something that is not physical, like courses or apps and software. Apps and software are powerful because you can have recurring income instead of one-time income, meaning that as people subscribe to the apps and the software every month, you get paid monthly. Step 2, find a hot offer or hot product or service in that niche to promote. There are different affiliate marketing platforms. Outside the country, we have Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, and so on. Here in Nigeria, we have platforms like StakeCourt, like Sabi Mentor, like Expertnia, Lenoflix, and there are different companies and software that you can promote for, like BetNaija, Piggyvest, Fiverr, Binance, Bluehost, Namecheap, GetResponse. But I would advise you pick something indigenous to to make payment easier for you. So you have picked a niche and then you have gone to this platform to look for a hot product that's related to your niche. Step 3, identify your goals and create your funnels and assets. There are different funnels for affiliate marketing. Your goal could be traffic or leads. And so you could be using YouTube to drive traffic or using YouTube to generate leads. You could drive traffic to a landing page or to WhatsApp. You could drive traffic directly to the affiliate link, the unique link, so that people just go from YouTube and buy. Or you could generate leads by getting people's emails or phone numbers so that you can follow up on them and build your sphere of influence. One of the easiest ways for you to start is to drive traffic to WhatsApp, where you can get people's numbers so that you can build a relationship and have conversion events. So you can drive traffic to get people into a broadcast list or a group, or just to save your number so that they can see your status, or save your number so that you can easily have direct messaging with them. Whatever it is, the goal is creating value and genuinely helping people by recommending products. But they need to trust you, and that is why YouTube is powerful to quickly build trust and build this relationship. Step 4, have a well-optimized YouTube channel. This channel should be niched. You can't have a channel today you're talking about health, tomorrow you're talking about make money, the next day you're talking about traveling, the next time you're talking about sex and relationship. No. For your affiliate marketing business, you can choose to create a fresh channel and make sure it is well optimized and niched. And it should be customized, everything well filled. And it should be well optimized in a way that when people land on your channel, they quickly trust you and follow through your recommendations. And make sure all the affiliate disclaimers and other little aspects here and there are well placed. Step 5, start making strategic marketing videos. The goal here is not to sell. The goal here is to help people to make decisions. The goal here is to offer massive value. So instead of just saying buy, you should look for ways to help people genuinely, even if they don't eventually buy from you or through you. And make your own unique content instead of just copying other people's content here and there, and then you know the problem of copyright with YouTube. Sit down and make your own videos. You could show your face or not. You could use screen recording like PowerPoint and have rich, unique content. And some vendors, like for my program, I offer promotional and educational materials, content materials, so that you can provide value easily. There are different kinds of videos you can make. You could make problem solution videos to help people to see the problem. For example, if people are finding it difficult to make money, you could show them these problems, emphasize the problems, and then offer a solution. For example, helping them to set up a YouTube channel and make money from there. You could make review videos where you review the particular product you are promoting. Say, for example, you are promoting the YouTube Profits program. You start reviewing the different aspects, features of the program, what the program offers, the benefits of each of them. For example, the program will teach you how to set up a well-optimized channel. The program will also teach you how to make videos and rank those videos. The program will teach you how to make money from. So you could start making reviews. You could make comparison videos where you compare product A with product B. You're offering value and helping them to make a decision. You could do what we call demarketing videos, where you sort of subtly and with wisdom talk down on other rival products. Indirectly, you emphasize some of the cons and disadvantages of product B, while you emphasize the pros and the advantage of product A that you are promoting. For example, you could say, other YouTube courses don't have an expert or somebody who has results or somebody who knows how to teach. However, the YouTube Profits program has someone who has results, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and he is a very good teacher. You understand? So that's an example of demarketing. You could do testimonials and case studies. For example, you could take past students, and I have thousands of testimonials of past students for the YouTube Profits program, and you could make videos talking about the results, how they've gained subscribers and views, and how they make substantial income every month from the program. Or you could make general tutorials or educational videos on that particular topic. For example, if you are promoting something on affiliate marketing, you could teach us what affiliate marketing is. this. If you are promoting something on a health product, you teach us some educational content on that product. You could offer bonuses, your own personal bonuses. So you could make bonuses videos, encouraging them to buy through you. You could say, for example, if you buy the YouTube Profit Program through me, I'm going to offer you bonus A, bonus B, bonus C. And usually the bonuses should complement the main offer. Also, you could make intent or search-based videos based on what people are searching. For example, people could be searching how to set up a YouTube channel. You could then make a video on that. You can easily promote your affiliate products. And there are several other videos that we could make, and that's beyond the scope of this short video. Step 6, upload and optimize the videos for traffic and clicks. When you're done creating your videos, the videos could be educational videos or promotional videos or simply entertaining videos. Upload it properly and optimize it properly. This involves things like doing keyword research. You could use things like TubeBuddy or vidIQ or keywords everywhere, or just simply use the YouTube search drop-down auto suggestion, a low competition, high potential keyword, and optimize your title, description, tags, your thumbnail with the keywords, and also mention the keyword verbally. You see, when you sign up to promote any program, you will be given a unique link so that when anybody make purchases using your unique link, you automatically get paid. Your unique affiliate link, which is unique to you alone, should be placed on strategic places on your channel. So it can be clickable or non-clickable. Some of the clickable places you can place it, the 3 places I recommend here in the description section, put it in the comments, and then put it in your about section where you see your links. There are other non-clickable methods of putting your links on your videos and your channel. You could mention it verbally, and you could put it as a screen overlay visually so that people can see the link, maybe in your YouTube shorts or your YouTube stories, on your main YouTube videos visually, but non-clickable. So make sure your unique affiliate link is placed strategically all over your channel and your videos. This way, when you offer value, people can easily find your links to click. Number 7, scale with ads. The best way to start your affiliate marketing business is to promote organically and free. After posting your video, you could decide to make a 30-second clip from the video and post on your status and stories and different places on social media. You could make Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts. The essence is make sure you promote your videos on every social media platform that you are in and everywhere you have permission to. So if you have groups you have permission, share your video links there. A broadcast list, maybe on WhatsApp or a Telegram channel or an email list, share it with them and share it on all your social media platforms, on Twitter, Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, Snapchat, everywhere. This will help you to make some sales quickly and easily without spending any amount of money. However, if you want to get more volume and hit your goal of $1,000 per month quickly, you might have to invest some money in ads or paid marketing. Paid ads, maybe Instagram ads or Facebook ads or YouTube ads, or you could use influencer marketing where you pay an influencer to talk about your YouTube videos. Your goal is to direct people back to your YouTube videos and back to your YouTube channel, because your channel is well optimized, your videos are well thought of, and they have different categories of videos and different playlists. This way, people will land on it videos that is rich, and with all your links strategically placed, the volume of traffic you are getting from ads, either from YouTube or outside of YouTube, will make sure that you quickly grow this business and make sales. And one powerful way to do all of this is to direct traffic to your lead magnet video, a video that is offering your lead magnet, or you could direct traffic to your bonuses videos or traffic to testimonial videos on YouTube. For me personally, I use YouTube ads, and you could click here to learn how to run YouTube ads step by step to help put in fire to your YouTube affiliate marketing business. Do it to hit the like button and stay subscribed to this YouTube channel, and check the description section for relevant links to help build more knowledge. Play big, and I'll see you on the next one.